So it felt like it was draining for real.
Right.
It really was draining. So
blind leading the blind.
Yeah. So it wasn't too much bad information because I had the advantage because they didn't have the parents that I had. Their parents was totally different. Selling the kids selling to the parents and stuff.
Dang, man. God dang.
They watching their mama get and sell themselves just so they can, stuff like that.
Yeah.
So like, I grew up a totally different way than some people in my city.
Yeah.
Like when I grew up right next door to them. Like it was two totally different lifestyles in the same spot. So yeah,
that's why
I'm glad. I'm really grateful. I'm grateful for my people.
Yeah.
I'm real grateful. And so Cub called me, said come down to Atlanta. We're gonna get this day trading going.
Yeah.
I left. I called my grandma. She the one I called and to give me all my.
Let me ask you this though, Drew, before you move forward. Day trading. Man, you in your early 20s. Like this has to be something new to you. Like
yes.
Did you even know what that was? Like,
no.
Let's say getting into day trading?
I didn't know what it was. I made a lot of money.
Wall Street, like what, like day trading?
You know what's crazy?
What?
I went and watched that movie like 10 times just like, what are they doing? What are they doing?
Okay.
I went and watched that movie a couple times. It was real motivation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Good. I started day trading. I'm really YouTube University kind of guy. So everything I want to learn, I go to YouTube.
Yep.
I go to YouTube and get mentorship.
Okay.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So you say, it was a friend or family member told you to come down here because you're going to get into day trading?
It was like a friend / family member.
Okay.
Like, because his mom grew up with my dad in elementary school.
Okay.
So they went to elementary school together. And that's crazy because his mom put my mom and dad together. Like, they got them married. They've been married like 20 years now.
Okay. That's very still, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you come down. What had you sleeping in the car, though?
Cause that's when I had left Mississippi, I had I ain't know. Cuz told me that we was just gonna be staying with some people for a little while. I came back. Our apartment wasn't ready though. We had just started day trading. We had a good day too. We had a good day. We had just started day trading. Our apartment wasn't ready. We had stayed an hour away from where our apartment was at. So I was like, man, I ain't trying to drive back all the way another hour just come back out here in the morning.
Right.
Then we just slept in the we actually went movie hopping. We went movie hopping. We watched movies for like 3 hours.
Yeah.
We watched movies for like 4 hours. Slept in the parking lot.
Right.
Then next morning we went and got our apartment.
Yeah.
All off day trading. 1 day of day trading.
And you was doing some live account starting.
Live account, starting off my own money.
Yeah.
Well,
that's big.
Big.
What you started off with, if you don't mind sharing? Like capital wise, like what was your risk?
I started off about like. I started off about like, I ain't gonna lie, we didn't want that much. It was like 500-600.
Okay.
Like 500-600. Came up like.
What was you trading?
I was trading gold. I love gold. I love gold. But I just got into futures. I just got into NASDAQ though.
Yeah.
I just got into NASDAQ.
Yeah.
NASDAQ, I love NASDAQ more than gold now.
Yeah.
I love NASDAQ.
Okay. All right. And so now you day trading.
Now I day trade. I day trade every day, 11 to 4 faithfully.
Going in.
Yeah, 11 to 4 faithfully.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What would you say to someone looking at this right now, man, who might be skeptical of day trading? They might think like, oh man, no money's really being made.
The money is there.
Or whatever they think. The little stuff we see on social media. Sometimes people be kind of down talking people that are into day trading and stuff. What would be your
thing with day trading? I feel like day trading is very, very emotional. So if you let your emotions control how you make your decisions, you're not gonna be a good day trader. So say you can be up 5,000 for the day.
Yeah.
Put in one bad trade and blow your whole account.
Yep. Absolutely.
For
sure.
It's really emotional for me. So if you're not gonna put the work in and don't even like to learn the strategies and where you need to set your stop loss and your take profit, you ain't gonna be no profitable trader.
Gotta be hungry.
You gotta be hungry, man.
I can tell you how it is. Drew, hungry. I was up last night coming into my birthday with Drew. And
I'm telling you.
and some of our other family as well.
Hey, we had a ball, didn't it?
And we are telling you on it. So you gotta really be hungry for that, right?
23 winning trades, 3 losses.
Absolutely. You did a great job, man, for sure. Okay. All right. So Drew, man, this has been a great conversation, man. What I like to end off with, Drew, you're young, man.
Young.
You're young. You know, me and my brother Bree, man, you know, Rise 1% podcast calls. We did a episode last week talking about the Pooh Shiesty situation.
Yeah.
And different things that's going on with the youth right now, man. You know, crashing out, you know, just doing things, man, that, you know, I'm going to be quite frank with you, as me, a guy now who just turned 40 today on my birthday, as I'm doing this podcast.
Exactly.
We like, man, we don't approve of this type of stuff, man, this type of behavior, but you're young and you really making positive moves, man. And I gotta commend you for that. You know what I mean? What would be some of your message though to anybody that might be young looking at this, or even if someone is a parent, because we do have a 35 and up audience, majority of our audience. We have some younger too, but majority 35 and up. They might have kids looking to have kids, looking at this podcast. What would be your message to some of the youth, man, on a positive note, things that they can do, having the right mindset, staying out of trouble, doing the right thing, man, right now in 2026?
Stop following these rap artists, man. I promise you was going to be in the wrong place, because they ain't doing nothing but spending the label money on clothes and jewelry, and some of their jewelry, most of their jewelry fake. For one, they putting the play down on y'all so good. It's crazy. They owe Pooh Shiesty money. That's why he did all that in the first place.
Yeah.
He out here, he rapping, they got him, they paying him to rap about doing all this stuff, making these kids go do it, thinking they finna get some type of hood fame off of that, but you ain't gonna get no. My dad used to always tell me, it's what he used to say, he said, it's all good till it ain't all good.
Yeah, exactly. Hello, this is G Bass, Rise of the 1%, Rise Media. We on this Saturday evening about to get ready to knock out some podcast episodes with some individuals here in the city of Atlanta making some big moves. You can see here, look, this is how it goes down. Here when our guests come and sit down with myself, G Bass, other Rise of 1% of Rise Media, to have that conversation, to share the story, share the journey, share what you got going on. So listen, everybody got a story, everybody got a journey. And then you got some things going on, then you definitely can get with us and see if it'll be a fit to be on the Rise of 1% podcast and actually have that discussion with myself. It's going to be a link to a form you can fill out. You said www.theriseofthe1%.com/pod form. Again, www.theriseofthe1%.com/pod form. It's going to be in this video. You can fill that out. And we can see if there'll be a fit for you to come on and have that conversation with myself. If you don't fill out the form, then obviously it's not for you, and that's fine. We're looking for those that's serious. Those that's serious about rising to the top 1% are already in the 1%. That's what we're looking to sit down with myself right here. As you can see, Rise Media. Rise of the 1%. This is how we get down. We have a great time and have a lot of fun doing it. So once again, if you're serious, make sure you fill out the form. We'll look over the form, see if it's a fit. If it's a fit, we'll reach out. If not, we won't reach out. We'll just continue to move forward. But with that said, this is G Bass. See you soon. Have a great one on purpose.